Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your girl, Speaks the Queen. I'm finally coming back to y'all with my apartment tour that I told y'all about like mad long ago. This is actually like kind of my second one. The first one kind of got lost in editing and everything. I had moved like twice, but I'm finally back. It's gonna be two versions. One is gonna be on my main channel, Sweets the Queen, and the other one is gonna be on my DIY channel, Sweets the Queen DIY. So y'all make sure y'all go over there and watch, let me know which version that you like, okay? Disclaimer, this video was to not, put anybody business out or whatever like that, but I had to show the apartment how I seen it first and how I seen the second, the before and after to show y'all, everything that was done and the work and everything like that. So, yeah, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Definitely watch to the end, check out both channels. And I'm gonna be back getting in the swing of things. I'm still moving and stuff like that, so I'm trying to still get things together. So, yeah, I'm gonna have some videos, especially on my DIY channel, because this home improvement stuff is about to be bananas. So, y'all definitely go over there, subscribe, like, share, comment, all that, right? I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all later. Let's go.
Be there, always.